Gaming Guy 88 here with another video, and this is an unboxing of the Xbox Electric Volt controller. Now, at the time of this filming, I just got the controller today from Target, and it was their last controller in general that they had in the Xbox section. But I would have chosen this one anyway because I really like the color. So let's get right into it. I've already taken the tape off the bottom, so we can just open it right up. And there it is. It actually looks brighter in person than on the box. And of course, the thumbsticks are the same color as the controller, and the circular D-pad is the same color as the buttons, which the buttons are the same color as the shoulder buttons and the triggers. And of course, they do have the colors there to let you know, like A is green, B is red, and stuff like that. On the top, it's black, and on the bottom, it's white. And it does include 2 Duracell AA batteries. This will be my new primary controller that I use with my Xbox Series X, and I'm definitely glad to have it. I believe it was either $59.99 or $64.99, but it was somewhere around there. I also do have the Midnight Black PS5 DualSense controller pre-ordered. That comes out June 18th, so I will also do a video on that as well. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, you all take care.